What's going on? What's going on? We are live. What's going on? We're live. We're live. We're live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's start the week strong. Today's only Monday, right? Okay. We're going to talk about what? Inflation. Inflation or growth. Both. We're having a tug of war. We're having a tug of war. The price is not sure where to go. Should we grow or should we drop? Because the inflation's going too high. The uncertainty is there. I'm not sharing my screen. Perfect. The rate is the highest so far. Yeah. The rates apparently has been normal for a while until now lately. The rates just keep going up and up and up and up. That's inflation, bro. Inflation. Everything's getting more higher and expensive. How does that affect the dollar? I said that many times if you watch my lives, the dollar, they want to be in line with the rates. If they are, the price is repricing or is dealing with the biggest factor that's affecting the market. What is it? Everybody been hearing it, yes. But still, the war is ongoing. Even though Trump announced that he want to submit the peace, trying to end end the war soon. But is that the case? We'll see. Dollar has actually been weak. It was high till it starts getting weaker. So the thing is, the rates are high, dollar's weak. That's good. They're not in line. But here's the problem. Oil. Oil too high. That massive spike causing a stress on the market. The market is not sure if we should grow or if we got to dang figure out another way. And that's what they're doing, figure out another way. Since 2 in the morning from last night London session, oil crash. How does that affect the market? You can see it. It happened this morning around 6 or 6:30 in the morning. Gold went up. Stocks went up. Oil went down. You see the pattern? So yes, oil is affecting the market big time right now. Yeah, that's involved with the war and all that. But what matters is price, structure, and the repetition of what works and what doesn't. I'm pretty much looking at the market like, okay, what is it going to look like for the next few hours until London sessions? Right now, we're seeing liquidity being created at the resistance level versus support got broken. This morning, it did create liquidity by New York's open. Right now, I would say it's still within the range. Price trying to go anywhere right now. We have to wait for a confirmation and see where the price is going to. Is it trying to avoid the liquidity that I just made, or there's another liquidity that's going to? Liquidity, I already said it. It's a cluster of stop losses, equal highs, equal lows. Right now, we do have the liquidity as a low. That's liquidity. We have our resistance right there. We're just waiting to see if the price we're actually going anywhere right now. It's still within the range, so we don't have a clear opportunity to trade for now. Stocks are making a similar reaction movement. So, gold and stocks, what's the growth? But the inflation is stopping it. The oil is just in the market. It's not going anywhere. It's fighting. It's tugging. Race up. Dollar's going up right now, but it's still overall weak. We can see that. Within the community, we have all the tools you guys can use to understand the market well. Right now, we want to see if the oil will actually drop. Because, yes, it spiked. It's still high overall for now. But that displacement, will respect the imbalance created? That's the question. So for oil, the price is pulling back. And we will get our real move revealing later at a specific time, either tomorrow morning London or tomorrow morning New York. Both tomorrow mornings. Now, I want to say something real quick. For anyone that's wondering, man, pay attention. I'm going to show up live and I'm going to be consistent regardless. Why? I'm here showing a proof of work, showing my knowledge, showing my experience, showing my ability to read and understand. What am I looking at? I have that. I'm a trader for over 5 years. I trade what? Liquidity. Liquidity. Just a cluster of stop losses or equal highs or lows. Like that. I trade liquidity to another liquidity. That's it. Simple as that. I found my own repeatable pattern and I hope teaching everyone else having a structure. If they want to find a different strategy, I teach them mine. Therefore, we're all learning how to understand the market and the money, the way it moves, where it's trying to go or target, risk management. I'm pretty much saying everything I'm knowing about trading. I'm a trader for over 5 years. 5 years in the game. I'm showing up and I'm showing my proof of work. I'm showing up. I'm explaining my knowledge of what's going to happen, what the language trying to tell us, the market situation, potential reaction and movement, all of that. While I'm studying, I'm finding patterns and patterns and patterns and patterns and refining my strategy. That's all to it. I'm improving my skills daily. It's a skill that will make the money work for me. If you guys want that, tap in the community. I'm saying this because you have no idea. The or job service out there. Job service is a business where they're just selling what they create. But the question is, do they actually have the knowledge, the skills? Do they know what works and what doesn't? Have they done the work before? Have they? Yes or no? If not, why would you learn from them? It doesn't make sense. Now, everyone should be on the same page. No one gives a fuck about your wealth, the flesh of your lifestyle, all that. They care if you can help them or you can't. Simple as that. Now, I'm here trying to let you guys know I can help you guys. It's time to grow. We can do it together. Let's get it. Back to the market now. I want to see how this specific candle will close. If it closed breaking out of that minor range, then I want to see if it will hold, potentially target that liquidity at the low. Pretty much, we can see it. Its price decides too. We still having gold potentially be choppy, raging for a while, unless the stress and the inflation rates are not cooling down, man, then yes, let's expect to see the market bleed for a while after that. But if it doesn't, the oil calms down. Means what? The volatility will calm down too. The market will be chaotic. It will be crazy. The price action won't be as much violent. Then what's that gonna look like? Gold will breathe in a down move, or the chops will get broken out of, and we'll see growth in assets. That's what we'll see if the economy's doing better and the inflation cooling down and the oil is cooling down too. Similar can happen for stocks. Gold and stocks are reacting similar way to the behavior of the market. The market is stressed. They're fighting between inflation, growth. Inflation and growth. I'm saying growth because inflation's are getting higher and the repricing got to balance out. Supply and demand of the market, man, it's fighting between should I grow? Should I grow? Or I'm gonna stress. But what seems to be the problem? That's what we retailers, traders are wondering. What's going on with the situation? This is why I'm a proud macro regime trader. I pay attention to the world, what's going on. The race is going up right now, but so far, it's not really going anywhere. It stays the same. Still, right now, it is going up, and that does affect the market. We can see it bleed a little bit. Gold is not really moving, it's choppy. Well, we saw SP 500 going down right now. See that? The market is stressed. Oil's going up too, but it's a spiking, meaning no, it's not. It's a weak pull up right now, so you probably get a clear reaction movement of what direction is going to at London session. That's 2 in the morning. So right now it's 8:22. Yeah, about 6 hours and 30 minutes away. 6 hours and 30 minutes, we'll see how the price gonna play out for London. There are many sitting at the high for oil. Equal highs. Equal lows. the price bounced off the support level from where it broke out. It's a minor range right there. That's where the minor range are. Price broke out, then it went back to that area where the impulse move happened. Reaction happened, blah blah blah. We have to wait till it calms down. Then the market revealed its move for oil. It gets higher, then so far it's choppy. Now it gets lower, like pretty much. We're dealing with rage. It's raging. Tug of war. With the Strait of wait, trying to remember the name of the straits where Trump and Iran, Asia are fighting over for the oil. Let's look at some news. Look at some news. Massive fire. We had a massive fire happen in Texas. But the market doesn't seem to be really affected by that. President of European Commission calls for an immediate halt to fighting in the Middle East. Man, Iran is still hitting the missiles at Asia hard. Oh, that's the name. The Strait of Hormuz. Yep. Trump is trying to not let other countries seize too much control or power over that Strait of Hormuz. Well, let's look at the map. Let's look at the map. We need a map. Yes, we need a map. 5 testing today. Practice check. No. See that. Right now, this straight. They're closed. They're closed. If closed, that's why the price so up. Inflation, boom. Everybody has a problem with it, and we pay more. So tax, bro. Now, there's nothing we can do about it. It's out of our control and power and money, right? So therefore, we need skill to make the money work for us. We want to study the market, the behavior, how everything that's going on is affecting the market. This trade is very important because China, Russia, we, US, rely on that trade for shipping. The shipping of oil, sending oil to the countries. That's their business this whole time. Because it's closed, because of the war between Asia and Iran, blah, 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 blah. Yep, price higher. It makes sense, right? And Trump, another country, wants the war to stop. So the inflation is going to be higher and everybody makes money together. Right. They want the less just of the market, but at the same time, Trump want to make sure we are not losing any of our power. Oil is power. Oil is power, man. World War One, World War Two, it happened because of the oil. I studied. Did you study? Man, tap in with me. Tap in the community. The links below. You should be studying how the world works, how money works, and make it to your skill. Yes, a whole benefit, advantage, opportunity to your skill. Now, looking at 8-hour time frame, 8 hours. That's high time frame. Okay. We're seeing good signals of demand means a lot of buyers are in that area, which is why the price projected. Still overall, the market's trending down, meaning it pulled up, now will it continue again? Which is why I say break out of that range can potentially go down. Yeah, gold can do something like that. We'll have to wait and see how the price play out. I already said, as Traction making a similar move, but SP500 don't play a whole mean business like gold do. Gold loves levels, meaning it loves playing a lot of mitigation moves. Type of the community, you know what the word means. Now, stocks like to respect the risk. They play by the risk. If she take the risk or not, because stocks are basically a reflection of humans, people's emotion for the market. So if people are scared, or worried, or stressing, we can see that it'll drop, or it'd be choppy, weak, raging, not going anywhere. It's dead. If everybody think positive, we're happy, we're making money, everything's gonna go up, I'm rich, I got a flush, all of that. I got more good opportunities, everybody's like in that positive state. Assets will go up. Everybody makes money. It's a reflection of humans' emotions. So we have to analyze the behavior of the market and think how smart money will use that against retail traders. We are retailers, but we're trying to think like smart money. To think like smart money, you're finding a winning pattern that works for you. Now, seriously, if you guys want a winning pattern, learn the liquidity language. I'll teach you guys liquidity, bro. Let's go. I'm also saying this because are there any other deaf, hard of hearing that's willing to teach clearly? They can communicate clearly on what works and what doesn't. Can they deliver the information to help you execute it? Oh, that's the market. That's the many language. In sign language, do they have that? No, it's not a lot. Yeah, type of community. You would have the same as such. Now, build your skill. You will build that respect from other people. You earned it. Let's go. After that, life change. That's how it works for me right now. I've been exposed to many people that have a similar experience as well. Lock in, grow your skill, do everything it takes to make it work. I just keep looking at stars right now. Yep. Right now, gold and stocks are not really moving. The market's dead. We're potentially see more opportunity at 2 in the morning. While I'm here, and anybody have questions, I'm willing to answer. Give me questions. If you have feedback, if you have suggestion, anything you want to say, go ahead and comment. I'm here. I don't beg. I don't beg. If you got some credit too, give that to me, bro. Let's go. Give it to me. Okay. There's not much to say about the market. There's not. It's that simple. There is a lot to say when you're learning the little details in the process to apply strategy or to have a strategy. There's a lot of learning, yes. But over time, it's like a skill. You build it up, boom. Everything happens naturally. It's on automation mode. We're seeing gold still being stuck inside the range. It's choppy. It doesn't seem to want to break out so far. But the volumes are increasing a little bit. Volume increase means we can see potential move for opportunity happens if the setup is presented. We traders have the rules, we follow it, bro. We follow it. It makes sense. See that? Oil's still going up. Because oil's still going up. Not really moving as fast, but it's still going up slowly. It's not surprising you see gold choppy at the 500 bleeding right now. If the oil is going to keep going up, we potentially have a trading opportunity for a pullback move. We can take a sell. Yep. We can take the sell to where the move started. Pow. Right there. It probably goes down, balance everything out. That is dot. Opportunities, the setup. If it holds, then we're potentially seeing it being bullish after that. Again, it depends on the price action of the market, what the market wants to do or not. How is it reacting to inflation and growth? Because the inflation is eating us alive right now while the oil is going up. Interest rates are going up. Dollars are going up. No, the damn markets aren't liking that right now. It's choppy. It's going down. It broke out of the edge. Pull it back a little bit. It pulled back a little bit. Okay. I do want to see a clear confirmation setup, seeing the candlestick of the price means to make a move, not giving me that weak, dead little body candle, meaning like the body or the price. It's not really going to go anywhere. I be dealing with the chops, and my emotion goes, is it moving? Is it not? Or am I going to lose? Isn't la 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 la. We're supposed to be detached. To be detached, you following the rules. Simple as that. We have a change of character. I would say that's a bit of a break of structure. Yeah, it is a break of structure for a 3-minute time frame, but for 15 minutes, it seems more like a pause candle than a break of structure because it's weak. Price still though. So the trading opportunity is down to sell to the mitigation level. I wouldn't trade anyways. Yep. The volume increase while it goes down and a break of structure happen again. Okay. Potential that's a signal for down and potential reverse after London or New York session. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I'm not trying to predict the market. I'm just saying the potential based on liquidity and the target of liquidity. That's it. Simple as that. The equal highs is of. Boom. Liquidity pools is still equal highs if you zoom in and think about it. But anyway, the point is we're not trying to be faked out. We're just waiting for our confirmation and setup. Let's go. I'm showing proof of when one of my students, he did good. One of my students said he took his first trade of the week and is in profit of gold this morning. He woke up, analyzed his trading pair, gold caught his eye for a breakout. Trading system that he has. So he sees the opportunity. 501 smash. This is the proof. Once students learn the liquidity, how the money works, now you have a profitable system that works for him. He should go up, keep practicing, keep executing. You have everything. Boom. The money works for him. That's how it works. Let's go. I would like. I'm not much of a pullback trader. I don't trade pullbacks. I like to trade the full swing. Because that's when I know liquidity's target will actually target this liquidity instead of being faked out. Right now, we're just waiting, see how it goes. Anybody have questions before I go? We've been live for 45 minutes. Everybody have questions? Feed me questions. Feed me questions. I'm here for you guys. If you need to understand something or whatever it is, shoot it in the comment. Shoot it in the comment. I'm here. I'm pretty much waiting for the market to sell, the opportunity for us so we can seize it at the right time. Right time. By seeing the setup, setting up for us. And based on price action, we can see where the market wants to go. Because is it affording that money? Okay, if it's affording that money, there's another target too. I just circle the red. That's money. That's money. Clusters of stop losses. Another equal lows. That's money. Right now, it's a target right here. I do trade pullbacks. I'm waiting for. Yeah, we do have a selling opportunity for it to go down right now. If that's the opportunity, you can seize it if you want. Let's go. Yeah, I just take it with you guys. I take it back. I'll go ahead and trade. Let's get it together. Nope. Nope. I don't really have a trading opportunity. Well, I'm at a good position right now to trade. The volatility is too high, so it costs more to take the trade. Yeah. More like the price is high, actually. There we go. There we go. That's what I want to see. Clean setup. It's been raging. It broke out. Now, without displacement, be respected. Yes, it will hold. Settle down there. The volume's been increasing, but the price, oddly, is still not really moving anywhere. Because of that, it's showing me the fake move right now, and I'm not trying to get fake out. By understanding that, it's to understand the candlestick. You want to understand the candlestick. Yeah. Like I say, it's a whole lot better when you're not going to force your trade. And that's it. Yeah, I'm not forcing the trade. I'm gonna see how it goes. We do have an opportunity soon. Just gotta keep an eye on SP 500 and gold, see how they reacted of inflation. Because the inflation was shooting up. Yeah. Okay. 51 minutes in. No one has questions. Okay. This is it. That's it for tonight. Thank you for showing up. Hope you guys got some values. You learned a little bit. Perfect. Okay. Let's go. I see you guys tomorrow morning in your session. TruBiz.